Simba,
Who are you?
It's me, Benji. Something's wrong with my voice.
How come?
I don't know. I woke up like this.
I see, it's puberty.
What is that?
Voice is changing.
You're starting to smell.
What do you mean smell? This is actually Italian perfume.
Hair growing everywhere.
But we already have fur.
Everywhere pimples.
Forever?
Yes.
Just a second. Drink it.
What? How? Why? Coffee is not for me.
It's warm. You must.
Did it work? It helped!